We're trying to figure out what percent of the traffic entered fork Z, right here, and exited down here at Y. And it says the traffic patterns are even. So I didn't finish drawing this bottom leg because right at the front, 50% are going to go up and 50% are going to go down. And everybody that goes down eventually ends up over here at Y. Okay? Now, the ones that go up, they have a split right here. And 25% are going to go this way, and 25% are going to go this way. Now, I didn't finish my diagram. Let me see, these guys end up down here at Y. Okay. So, if you go upward, here we go. They're going to split at this point here, and 12.5% will go to X, and these other 12.5% are going to go down here to Y. So there's 12.5. And now we need to be concerned about this lower branch. In this lower branch, they get to here, and their only choice is to go down here, and that was 25%. So 75, 85, 87.5 end up at Y.